Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha from the All India Trinamool Congress. I'm putting out this video to bring to everyone's attention the horrendous incident that has occurred today in Delhi on Indian soil. The visiting Taliban delegation of the Foreign Minister Amin Muttaqi has met with Dr. S. Jaishankar, our External Affairs Minister, today, following which the Taliban Foreign Minister held a presser in Delhi on Indian soil where women journalists were not allowed. The Indian Foreign Ministry has laid out the red carpet for this man, this Talibani Foreign Minister, who has had the gumption to ask for women to be removed from a room where he's having a press conference. And we are giving this delegation official status and providing them protocol. And every male journalist who participated in this press conference didn't utter a word of protest. Are you emasculated? Are you spineless? I'm asking all the journalists who were in that room, the male journalists. This is the ultimate dishonor to the women of India that our government has participated in this, has been a willing participant, has used taxpayers' money to fund this exercise. We're women journalists who have been asked to leave the room. What is going on? You're talking about Beti Bachao, you're talking about, women in India, you're talking about Maas and Behens and all of that, and you are providing at taxpayer expense official protocol and the red carpet for a delegation, for a government delegation that is actually on Indian soil, dishonoring our values and asking for women to be removed from the room. I hope I'm not the only one feeling this outrage. I hope every single woman in this country knows about this, feels the outrage and asks our government some questions.